Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're in Blender and ready to change view mode. First, open your scene and make sure the 3D viewport is active. Once done, glance at the viewport header to find the shading icons, the gizmo toggles, overlays, and the view menu. These controls determine what you'll see and interact with. Make sure object selection and transform gizmos are enabled so you can test each mode immediately. This avoids switching blindly and lets you confirm visual differences as you proceed. Now you'll change modes. Click the shading icons in the viewport header to compare wireframe, solid, material preview, and rendered. Alternatively, press Z to open the Quick Pie menu and drag to the mode you want. This is faster for iterative work. To adjust camera projection, press numpad 5 to switch between perspective and orthographic, and numpad 0 to jump to the camera view. Make sure to observe lighting and material changes, so you understand why rendered differs from material preview. Finish by fine-tuning. Open the viewport shading drop-down to control scene lighting, cavity, and color settings, and use overlays to show or hide guides and annotations. Once you've selected a mode that suits modeling or look development, test interaction, rotate, orbit, and toggle gizmos to confirm everything responds. If the viewport doesn't update or rendered stays black, make sure your GPU drivers are current and verify cycles is set to GPU or CPU in preferences. That usually resolves display or performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.